Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the MiVi collar. This is a Bluetooth earphone and it has a nice collar like this which rests on your neck, and these are the two earphones. So as you can see here, this is a totally sealed pack of the device. I got it from their official website, and this is comes around 3000 rupees in India. It has a playtime of 10 hours, and we got super solid bass in here. These are magnetic locking earphones. Also it has the not the latest one, but still has the 4.1 Bluetooth version, and we get hands-free voice calling facilities here, and this too supports the HD stereo sound. So let me open this up and I'll show you. This is how the packaging comes out, as you can see here. So let me open this up, friends. So here we go. Okay. It's not coming in on a single piece. Packaging is very nice, but still. So here you can see here, friends. Yes, as you can see here, MiVi collar Bluetooth headphone. So we will open this up. So here we go, friends. Oh, sorry, I dropped this. So as you can see here, this is the device. It is nicely laid here. So we'll take it out. We get here one okay, let me focus this up. Yes. So we get here the power button, and here is the USB charging point. As you can see here, to pop this up right up like this, and here, as you can see here, this is a USB. No, this is a micro USB port, and we got the power button here, and we got the volume rocker plus and minus here. They have told that this supports voice calling, but I don't see any call receiving buttons. Only we do have the power button. So let's keep this aside. Inside the box we get okay, we have to totally remove this up, I think. Okay. Inside the box, the packaging is very nice. It's a good quality packaging here. Inside the box we get as usual the user manual, and we get some extra earphone foams for your different sizes of earphones, if you have small or medium and large. By default we get the large one here. We get a charging cable for see, as here you can see, it is USB to micro USB. So let us keep these all aside, and we will go through the earphones. Here you can see here the earphones are presently inside here, so you have to pop this up out, and as I told you earlier, these do have the magnetic earbuds, so if when it is hanged on your neck, then it can stay like this, and it will be staying like this. It's very nice. So that's all, my friends. This is the MiVi Bluetooth collar, and if you have any doubts, then you can ask me. Hit a like button and do subscribe, my friends. I need subscribers. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.